Just being out here waiting for the boats, it's an experience in itself. Watching all these groups load up. People with their floofy dogs, and you think floofy dog. Big flocks of pelicans.
Ya van allá en las ardillas. Ya van los cuellos.
Lots of hustle and bustle. Look at all these pelicans. They're really big, beautiful birds. Amazing. So the plan has changed. We were supposed to go fishing again today for gratis because we didn't catch any fish that day. And now we're just going on a tour with a bunch of other gringos. Me fui al mar para ser feliz. That means I went to the ocean to be happy. Me fui al mar para ser feliz. That means I went to the ocean to be happy.
Y las ballenas, que ahora es temporada, ¿les parece? Sí. Vamos a tener un poco de movimiento, así que se va a sentir un poco el vaivén de las olas, pero todo bien, no se preocupen. ¿Le vale?
Whales, dolphins, turtles.
Muy bien, nos vamos, chicos.
Then we're going to go see all the bays. Off we go to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Woo!
La bahía donde acabamos de abordar, su nombre es la bahía principal. Es el centro de todas las playas aquí en Puerto Escondido.
That's the trail we walked yesterday. That's the great big marlin. And that's that busted up trail. Last June, that hurricane just destroyed that trail. So you can walk for a little ways, and then there's a place where you just can't keep going. And so you have to go all the way around the mountain, come back down, and you can walk another little piece of it. And then you can't go any further. And you'd have to go a long ways out and come back down and walk some more of it. And you'd probably only be able to complete a short part of it, and you'd be stuck again. There's a hand fisherman. Right there's the spot where the bridge is gone forever. The little bit of it that we were able to walk was just magnificent. It's just beautiful. It was a 2-hour-long walk from back there to the other city, down the shoreline. 2 hours each way. Playa Caracillo. That is quite a hike. We see this huge set of steps coming from way up on top. I don't want to do that. Bring me in by helicopter. I'm losing track of all the beaches they take us to. There's another one. Some of them are really small. Like that one right there. But we're coming upon, and that might even be private. That might belong just to that resort. But even those, if you want to climb down, you can get to them, and you're allowed to use them. And then we're coming up on another big one here. That's a really big beach. It goes from there all the way over there. The currents here are very strong, so he very much recommends we not go swimming. So, but it's beautiful. Not a lot of people come here because there's not much here. It's out of the way. You have to drive back there somewhere, park, and come down here, and there's no stores. There's not a lot of restaurants and pharmacies and things, amenities that we're used to. Back at Puerto Escondido, everything you want is very close by. But not so much here. The Playa Principal, it's called back there. That's the one. And it's at the center of all the beaches, pretty much, of Huatulco. But it's all beautiful. There's a big old turtle there. Well, I wish you could see him on this camera, but it's really cool. He's flapping around. We've seen a lot of those. Cool. We have a dolphin right here. There he is. I'm waiting for the guide to identify the species. There he is, real close to us. Come on, buddy, make a big, beautiful jump for me. Man, these guys are hogging our dolphins. And over here, the dolphins are putting on a little bit of a show. If you don't see them, you don't see them. They're jumping all the way out of the water. When they're in the right frame of mind, there he is. They like to perform for the people. They'll come right around the boat, and they'll jump around, and they'll come all the way out of the water. Where? Right in front of the boat here. Vamos a ver. Cooperating with our tour, but they're not cooperating with me and my camera. I'm seeing them, but I'm not getting them. The turtle right there, right next to us. Keeps sticking his nose up and looking at us. He has to breathe every once in a while. Well, now he's not sticking his nose up. He heard me. There he is. They have pretty faces.
He's going down.